Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something seriously unique, the 2025 three-wheel camper. It's compact, retro, futuristic, and it just might be the coolest thing on three wheels. Let's start with the outside. This three-wheeler looks like a mashup between a vintage scooter and a micro RV. With a turquoise and white color scheme, smooth, rounded lines, and those chrome accents, it's giving serious retro vibes. But don't let the looks fool you. This is a 2025 build, loaded with clever engineering. The front end features a motorbike-style wheel and handlebars, but what really steals the show is the built-in camper shell that looks like a mini vintage caravan, perfect for tight spaces and urban exploring. Now, stepping inside, you're immediately hit with how well this small space is used. The interior is incredibly cozy. Think Scandinavian tiny home meets retro diner. You've got soft wood paneling, integrated LED lighting, and even a compact kitchenette with a sink and counter space. There's storage tucked away everywhere, up top, under the seats, and along the walls. The leather seating is surprisingly plush, and this little camper has enough headroom to sit and relax, maybe even work remotely. It's clearly designed with minimalist nomads and weekend warriors in mind. Now, it's not just about looks. The 2025 model includes a solar panel setup, USB charging ports, and smart storage options. While there's no bathroom or full kitchen, it's meant for short, adventurous getaways, not full-time van life. So, who is this for? If you're into vintage design, city cruising, and spontaneous road trips, this three-wheel camper could be your dream ride. It's not just transportation, it's a statement. Let me know in the comments what you think of this little beast. Would you take it on a road trip? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more awesome vehicle reviews. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.